Hi friends, welcome back to Maths Diary. Here we are discussing about the continuation of the chapter polygon. In this video we are just discussing about outer angles, unchanging sum and regular polygons. First we are discussing about outer angles. It is also called an exterior angle. Look at this picture. This is triangle ABC. Here we are extending one side. Then we get a new angle outside the triangle. That is angle ACD. This angle is called an outer angle or an exterior angle of the triangle. So this is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. In this picture, we know that angle ACD is the exterior angle at C. There is also an angle of the triangle at C itself, that is angle ACB. We can call it as inner angle or interior angle at C. Look at this picture, we can see the interior angles and exterior angles. In this pentagon, there are 5 exterior angles are there. We are marked it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the first picture, that is a triangle. It have 3 sides and it have 3 outer angles. And next is a quadrilateral. It have 4 sides and have 4 outer angles. The next is a hexagon. It have 6 sides and 6 exterior angles. Next is a pentagon. It have 5 sides and 5 exterior angles. So we can say that the number of sides and the number of exterior angles are same in any polygon. Look at this picture. We can see the interior angles and the exterior angles. The interior angle and the exterior angle at a vertex is a linear pair. Can you see any relation between the outer angle ACD and the inner angle ACB? Yes, they are linear pair. Angle ACD equal to 180 minus angle ACB. Next, we are going to prove that in any triangle, the outer angle at a vertex is equal to the sum of the inner angles at the other two vertices. Here, we are going to prove that angle A plus angle B equal to angle ACD. We already know that angle A plus angle B plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree because these are angles of a triangle. Next, we know that angle ACD plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree because it's a linear pair. So we can equate these two equations, angle A plus angle B plus angle ACB equal to angle ACD plus angle ACB. Therefore, angle A plus angle B equal to angle ACD. So we can conclude that in any triangle, the outer angle at a vertex is equal to the sum of the inner angle at the other two vertices. Next topic is unchanging sum. In this topic, we are just say that the sum of the outer angles of any polygon is 360 degree. To calculate the sum of the inner angles of any polygon, we need only know the number of sides. Now let's check the given statement. The sum of the outer angles of any polygon is 360 degree. First, we are checking the example of a triangle. Here, X, Y, Z are the exterior angles of the triangle ABC. So here we want to prove that X plus Y plus Z equal to 360 degree. And we already know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree because we know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And we will get X as 180 minus angle B and Y as 180 minus angle C and Z as 180 minus angle A. We know that these are linear pairs. So we can write X plus Y plus Z equal to 3 into 180 minus angle A minus angle B minus angle C. By computing this, we can get it as 360 degree. So we can conclude it as sum of exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degree. We can compute like this for a quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, etc. like that. Now let's think about an n-sided polygon. In general, n vertices and a linear pair formed by inner and outer angles at each vertex, although n linear pairs. The sum of all these angles is n into 180 degree. In this, the sum of interior angles is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So, the sum of outer angles is n into 180 degree minus n minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 2 into 180 degree. That is equal to 360 degree. It following the result, the sum of the outer angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Next is regular polygons. Regular polygon is a polygon that is equiangular. That means all angles are equal in measure, and equilateral. Equilateral means all sides have the same length. These are some examples of regular polygon. Look at this picture. In each polygon having the angles and the sides were equal. Look at this picture. It's a regular triangle. It's also an equilateral triangle. The angles are 60 degree each and the sides were same. It's a square. It's a regular quadrilateral. The sides are same in length and also the angles having the same measure. It's a regular hexagon. Here the angles are equal. That's a 120 degree each and the sides were also equal. For any regular polygon, we can find the one angle by n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. That means the sum of interior angles divided by the number of sides. Thanks for watching this video.